Global club management best practices in an era defined by interconnectedness, alumni networks, and career development organizations increasingly rely on global clubs to foster meaningful connections across geographies. These clubs transcend traditional boundaries, uniting professionals, graduates, and mentors from diverse backgrounds to share knowledge, collaborate on projects, and drive collective progress. The rise of remote work, digital networking, and globalization has made global clubs indispensable for building lifelong professional relationships. By implementing strategic best practices, these groups can maximize their impact and encouraging bilingual or multilingual members to take on volunteer roles, such as moderating discussions or translating materials, strengthens inclusivity while developing individual skills. This approach turns linguistic diversity into a competitive advantage rather than a hurdle. Educational programs and skill development. One of the most significant advantages of global clubs lies in their capacity to deliver specialized education and skill-building opportunities. Whether through expert-led master classes, certification courses, or peer mentoring, these programs empower members to advance professionally and personally. Career-focused initiatives are particularly popular. A global marketing club might partner with leading agencies to offer workshops on SEO, AI tools, or ethical advertising. Alumni speakers sharing case studies from their careers add practical depth to theoretical instruction. Credentials and certifications. Collaborating with educational institutions or professional bodies enables members to earn recognized credentials, enhancing their resumes. Industry-specific tracks. Tailoring content to fields like fintech, renewable energy, or public policy ensures relevance to niche communities. Continuous learning. Monthly reading lists, book clubs, and podcast recommendations encourage self-directed learning beyond scheduled events. Beyond technical skills, soft skills development is equally important. Soft skills workshops on negotiation, conflict resolution, or emotional intelligence help members excel in cross-border team environments and leadership roles. Incorporating experiential learning, such as simulations, case competitions, or field visits, makes abstract concepts tangible. A global agriculture club, for instance, might organize virtual tours of farms in Kenya or Brazil, paired with Q&A sessions with local farmers. Leadership structures and governance models. Effective governance is the backbone of any global club. Hierarchical versus flat leadership structures each have distinct pros and cons depending on the organization's size, goals, and values. Small clubs might operate democratically with rotating chairs, while larger entities require committees with clearly defined responsibilities. Transparency in decision-making builds trust. Open meetings, published agendas, and accessible records ensure members feel informed and empowered. Some clubs adopt a hybrid model where core decisions rest with executives, while routine operations are managed collaboratively via voting or consensus. Empowering regional representatives. Given the global nature of these clubs, empowering regional representatives is crucial. These delegates act as liaisons between headquarters and local branches, ensuring that regional nuances are considered in policies and programming. They may also coordinate grassroots efforts, recruiting new members or organizing localized events. To avoid burnout, providing training and support to regional leaders is essential. Workshops on project management, conflict mediation, and digital tool proficiency equip them with the skills needed to manage multifaceted tasks efficiently. Regular check-ins between regional reps and the central governing body prevent silos and maintain alignment. Feedback collected from these interactions informs adaptations to national regulations, cultural contexts, or economic conditions affecting the club's operations. Tech integration and digital transformation. Modern technology serves as both a facilitator and a disruptor in managing global clubs. Cloud-based platforms streamline document sharing, task delegation, and performance tracking, eliminating logistical bottlenecks. Tools like Google Workspace, Notion, and Asana transform chaotic workflows into organized, scalable operations. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, innovations now enable immersive experiences previously limited to physical gatherings. A global architecture club might use VR to conduct site inspections or design reviews, allowing participants to interact with 3D models irrespective of location. Centralized dashboards. Real-time dashboards display member activity, event performance, and financial health, aiding data-driven decisions. Mobile apps. Custom mobile applications enhance accessibility, permitting users to join discussions, submit proposals, or attend events instantly from anywhere. Social media campaigns. Leveraging LinkedIn, Instagram, or TikTok creates buzz and attracts younger demographics interested in career development. Cybersecurity remains a priority amid increased digital reliance. Implementing two-factor authentication, encrypted communications, and periodic audits protects sensitive information from breaches or misuse. Investment in digital literacy among staff and volunteers ensures smooth adoption of new technologies. Ongoing training sessions familiarize everyone with evolving features, optimizing productivity and minimizing frustration due to unfamiliarity. Measuring impact and continuous improvement. Assessing the effectiveness of a global club demands a balanced mix of qualitative and quantitative evaluation. Surveys capturing member satisfaction, net promoter scores, and participation rates offer snapshots of current sentiment. Longitudinal analyses comparing cohort achievements before and after joining the club yield deeper insights into lasting impacts. KPIs such as retention rate, average session length, and number of collaborations initiated measure operational efficiency. Cross-referencing these figures with external benchmarks, like industry averages or competitor performance, identifies areas needing improvement. Member retention strategies. Analyzing churn reasons, e.g., lack of engagement, poor fit, allows targeted interventions, such as revamping programming or improving onboarding processes. Event optimization. Post-event surveys guide refinements to speaker selection, agenda timing, or interactive components, maximizing attendee experience. Network expansion metrics. Tracking referrals, partnership formations, and joint venture outputs quantifies the club's role in catalyzing wider connectivity. Cultivating a culture of reflection is integral. Annual general meetings dedicated to reviewing successes and shortcomings ensure collective ownership of improvement initiatives. Establishing a review committee comprising diverse stakeholders maintains objectivity and fairness in evaluations. Adaptive mindset is paramount in navigating change. Clubs must remain agile enough to pivot strategies in response to technological advancements, geopolitical shifts, or evolving member priorities, all while staying true to their founding vision. Conclusion. Global clubs represent a powerful force in shaping the future of alumni networks and career development. Their ability to unite people across continents, cultures, and capabilities underscores their transformative potential. When managed with intentionality, these groups become engines of innovation, empowerment, and enduring relationships. By embracing strategic planning, inclusive practices, cutting-edge technology, and relentless pursuit of excellence, global clubs can evolve from transient collectives into pillars of professional growth. As alumni networks continue to expand globally, investing in robust club frameworks will determine whose legacy endures, a ripple effect that transcends individual achievements and fuels collective triumphs for generations ahead.